Virtual meeting. I don't want to meet with y'all. So now we virtual? This the same school where the internet never worked? Let's replace the real meetings with virtual meetings from now on. I was living my best teacher break life and you gonna come and mess that up. If we was in school, we wouldn't be teaching. We'd be teaching to a test. So since it ain't no test, what's with all the stress? We gotta set up online learning. I got an idea. Let them learn how they want to learn math. Let them calculate how many times they go in the kitchen and get a snack. Subtract how many times they ask for permission. Reading. Let them summarize the level of Fortnite they got to. History. Let them talk about the test. It's technically testing is history this year. Social studies. Let them make up something because we can't be social these days anyway. It's not that I don't want to talk to y'all. This social distance broke us up. I just started quarantining from the stress levels I got in the fall. In the meeting, we gotta mute our laptops. Don't mute the laptops. Mute the meeting. This is unnecessarily unnecessary. I'm at home trying to relax. I'm not gonna get all dressed up to have no virtual meeting. I'm gonna have on a collar shirt with drawers on. Professional up top, sleep it down low. I just hope I don't forget and accidentally stand up. You need to let the teachers and the kids just chill for the rest of the year. We all tapped out anyway. Me and my laptop sick of y'all.